Hello everyone, welcome back to Circle Time. I am Mrs. Mo. What is your name? It's lovely to meet you here once again. Do you remember our Day of the Week song? If you do, well done. If you don't, just listen and I'm sure you'll be singing along very soon. There are 7 days of the week. There are 7 days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So do you know what day it is today? What is the day of the week? What day is it today? Do you remember what day it was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. That means today is Thursday. So today is Thursday. Let's put that over here. So the day of the week is Thursday. Today is Thursday. So can you see my lovely board? We're going to go to the letters of the day. So our letters of the day, we're having 2 letters today. Can you see this letter? What letter is this? Yes, well done if you said A. And what letter is this? Letter T. So we have A and T. Okay, so I'll put that in my hands so you can see it. So we have letter A and letter T. So when you have A, what sound does A make? A. And you have the letter T. What sound does the T make? T, t, A. A, t, a, t, a, t. So what happens when you put A and T together? It makes a word. At. So it makes the at. So can you hear the A and the T? The A and the T. At. So we have at. So we have our A and T. A and T, at. So it makes the word at. But this is also found at the end of some words. So what happens, I'll just put this here, when I put at next to a C. So now we have C-A-T. Remember, A-T makes the at sound. Okay, so A-T sounds at. Remember, A-T sounds at. Then I put a C in front of it. Now we have, remember that's the sound C makes. At. That makes a word, doesn't it? So when we put it together, it makes the at. Cat. Did you hear that? Cat. So here I have a picture of a cat. So this is a cat. Good job, everyone. Good job and well done for blending your sounds. So I'll take the at sound, and I'll put it next to the letter H. So now I have, what sound does H make? Good job, everyone, if you did ha. So H makes a sound and we have at. So let's put it together. Hat. Can you see this cat? This cat is wearing a hat. So H-A-T sounds hat. H-A-T is hat. Okay, so what happens when we put the at sound next to an S? Put it next to an S. So what sound does S make? Can you remember? S. Good job, everybody. So we have the S sound and we have at. S, at. Now let's put it together. Sat. So can you see this cat? This cat is sitting. So we say the cat sat. Okay? So the cat sat. Now we have an M here. What happens when we put the at next to the M? What sound does M make? Yes, M makes the sound. So we have at. At. What word do you think that makes? Mat. Mat. So here is a picture of a mat. So mat is M-A-T. Mat. Okay, good job everybody. Well done for blending your sounds. So we have another letter here, which is a B. Let's see what happens when we put the at next to the B. So we have B, B, that's the sound B makes, and we have at, B, at. So what happens when we put it together? Do you know what word that makes? Bat. Well done. B, at, bat, bat, B, bat, bat. Okay, and here is a picture of a bat. So B-A-T, bat. Well done, everybody. So for the last one, let's see what happens when we put it next to the letter R. So we have our at next to letter R. So we have R, that's the sound R makes, remember? R, at, R, at. R. Now let's put it together. It makes the word R, at, rat, 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 rat. Good blending, everybody. So R, R-A-T is for rat. R-A-T, rat. So good job and good blending, everyone. Now I'm sure you can spell cat, hat, sat, mat, bat, rat. So finally, I have a picture here. What can you tell me about this picture? In this picture, we can see a cat and we can see a mat. Okay, and we're going to use it to make a sentence. So we have the cat sat on a mat. The cat sat on a mat. Well done and good job, everyone. So we've made a sentence. Can you see cat? Can you see sat? And can you see mat? Do you remember them now? Good job, everybody. Well done. Okay. So good job, everybody, and well done for learning how to blend your sounds. Well done for learning how to blend sounds together. Good job, everyone. So let us go to the next thing on my board, the number of the day. What number is this? Did you say 15? Yes, well done if you said 15. That brings us to our number song. Do you remember our number song? Let's count to 20. Let's count to 20. Would you count with me? Would you count with me? Let's count to 20. Let's count to 20. Count with me. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good counting, everyone. Well done and good job. Well done, everybody. So let us get our magnets and count to 15. We're getting to really high numbers now, aren't we? So let's put this over here as we count to 15. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 magnets on the board. Okay, so do you want to count it with me one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good counting, everybody, and well done. So let's practice how to write 15. So 15 has 2 digits. So we have 1 and we have 5. So when you put 1 and 5, you have 15. So we write the 1 up, down, and across. Then we have the 5. Okay, so let's write it one more time. So we go up, down, we draw a straight line at the bottom, then we go this way, down, then we draw a big curve down at the bottom. So that's how you write 15. Good job, everybody. Well done. And good counting, everyone. So let's go to the next thing on my board. What is the weather today? Have you been outside? Have you looked at the sky? What does the sky look like? Is it sunny where you are? Or is it partly sunny where you have some sunshine and some clouds? Or is it cloudy where you are, where you can't see the sun at all? Or is it raining? I have looked outside and it is cloudy where I am. So it is cloudy. So the weather today is cloudy. So good job, everybody. Well done for learning your numbers. Well done for learning how to blend sounds together. Well done, everybody. You did a wonderful and fantastic job. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.